traders looking at the pound yen, we've got it open on a monthly time frame. We're just going to do a quick top down 1M. We've got these highs back in here. We've had multiple attempts at this level. So we're currently trading into a strong resistance at the moment, as you can see. A couple of touches here, and now we're retesting the level. So that's the monthly. And if we break this level, I mean on the higher time frame, that'll be the next target. We'll just have a quick look at this on the weekly. Just want to have a look back over here and just see what we've got in terms of weekly targets. Yeah, I mean we're looking at these highs pretty much. The high of this. I've got to take off this magnet thing. That would be a liquidity target right there on the weekly. So we'll just mark that up as a weekly level. Just going for these candle bodies, and we'll go candle bodies with that as well. So weekly and monthly, we'll go down to the daily, and I really want to come back over here and just have a look, because the price will look for previous daily highs and lows. Okay, so we've got these high here. It's going to look for liquidity above this level, so that would be a target. So I'll mark that up daily. And then next port of call, I mean we've got these levels here that we could potentially mark. We've got, see these lows? So we'll just pull that through there, daily level. And I mean after that, you've got these lows here, and then this weekly level. Right, so that's marking up our levels in terms of potential target areas. And now we are overextended. We've traded into a monthly level. We can see multiple touches here, so look, we're coming up into this level again. Now we've spiked through, we've got a little red candle going on here. I'm thinking that, I mean I'm bullish, but this level could give us a problem. We've got some data coming up. We've got these events here affecting the pound. All right, so you want to watch this as we trade through these news events, and I'm thinking that the volatility could give us an opportunity, depending on the outcome of this of these events here. I'm thinking something like this, a bit of a pullback, and then possibly we continue on. Okay, so it's bullish on the higher time frame. My bias is long. This volatility should give us the opportunity to get in at a discount, and I would say that'd be my entry point, something like that. Yeah, I'll go for a 2-to-1 risk reward. However, in saying that, we've got these levels up here as a potential target. So I would look to take parcels off at 1R and a potential target at 2R. And if you pull your stop loss up, you could trail it and look at these other levels here. So that's my take on the pound yen. I'm bullish, but I'm looking for the pullback. I'd love to hear your opinions, so leave a comment. That would be awesome. With that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.